Hello there, welcome to Yoga with Anja and welcome to this Yin Yoga practice. We begin today in a seated posture, so come onto your yoga mat and take up any seat that you like. I chose cross-legged Sukhasana, and then once you get there, palms facing down for today as a gesture of grounding. Start to find length through the spine. Notice the crown of your head lengthening up towards the skies above you. And imagine that you're creating roots with your sit bones. Your eyes are closed or very softly open, so you can draw your awareness inwards. And then nice and slowly start to find a deeper breath. Notice your body rising with the inhale, shoulders softening with the out breath. And really visualize that you're sending your breath down into the area of your belly, or even further down into the area of your tailbone, that area where we try to create roots and find out grounding today. Nice deep breaths in and out through the nostrils. Beautiful work, and now let's connect movement to breath. So inhale, reach your arms around the body and up. Bring your palms into prayer and then draw your hands through heart center. 2 more. Inhale to reach, lengthen all the way into the fingertips. Exhale, hands come down. Once more, breathe in to lengthen, stretch through the arms. Exhale, hands to or through heart center. Pause there for a moment, bowing head to heart. Beautiful work, and then let's start to make our way into child's pose, one of our most grounding yoga postures. So come onto your knees, bring your big toes together, knees as wide apart as you would like them to go. And then as you crawl your arms forward, start to create length through the spine. You can have your hands on the earth, or you can make fists as a pillow for your forehead. And I would say that for today's practice, you can keep your eyes closed, otherwise with a soft gaze, again, find back to your breath. Follow each and every inhale, each and every exhale. And every single part of your body that is connected to your mat here. Just notice this light connection you're making. You're not pressing down, but you feel the earth underneath you. Maybe that earth energy, you draw it into the body with every inhale. And you give something down, you release something with every out breath. Allow your hips to feel heavy. Notice the length you're creating from the tailbone all the way up into the crown of your head. Shoulders are soft. Just a few more breaths here. Take one more full cycle of breath here. Very, very nice. And then with the help of your hands, start to walk your body all the way up, coming into a version of tabletop. And then right away, curl your toes under and sink your hips back onto your heels. And if this is too much of a toe stretch for you, you can simply untuck your toes and then come into hero's pose. So this is quite an intense position, but today with the theme of grounding, we're trying to focus now onto the feet that keep us grounded and on the earth all day long. And really feel that stretch through the soles of your feet. Maybe take a moment to appreciate them, what they do for you every day. Your breath is traveling down into the belly on the inhale. Soft exhale through the nose. Keep your hips heavy and the rest of your body nice and relaxed. Very good. And then let's counter this, coming into tabletop. Now untuck your toes and find any movement that feels nourishing right now. You can do some circles through the hips. You can do cat and cow. Just intuitively follow what your body needs right now. And here again with the theme of grounding, just gently press your hands and your feet down. Very nice. So now let's move on into lizard lunge. Step the left foot forward to the outside edge of your mat. Bring both hands to the inside. And as you come here, just gently rock your hips side to side. Find some movement through those two joints, your hip joints. Whenever you feel ready to stop there and to hold this position, allow your eyes and your gaze to soften inward again. And we're staying here for a good few rounds of breath, so make sure it's a nice, comfortable sensation and not too much. As much as you can, relax your hips. And just keep a bit of awareness through the feet, so a bit of muscular energy is there. Also, if you're using any blocks to bring the earth a little bit closer to you, you can have your hands on the block. With every out breath, relax your hips. With every inhale, make sure your spine stays nice and long. Keep your neck nice and soft, shoulders relaxed. Beautiful work. And then to come out of this stretch, just shift your hips back first. Extend your left leg, a bit of a counter stretch here for the hamstrings. And then start to swing your left leg back. Give it a little bit of length here. And then to move over to the other side, let's take the right foot forward. Both hands to the inside of that right foot. You can use blocks or books or pillows at home if you need them, if it's comfortable. And then have a look that your front knee is over the ankle. And as you shift your body side to side, start to ease off through the hips. Untucking the back toes, and whenever you feel that this is a good sensation to stay, then start to breathe into your lizard lunge. Honor each and every breath. And sometimes when we work with the hips, you might feel a bit heat arising. That's completely normal, but again, you listen to what feels right in the body. Relaxing through the neck, the jaw, spine stays nice and long. Beautiful work. Just one more moment to soften into the left hip here, left hip flexor. Very nice. And to come out, start to extend the right leg like you did before. Hips are shifting back, a bit of a stretch for the hamstrings. And then swing your right leg back. Find a little bit of length here. And then move any blocks aside, anything you had to prop yourself here. And then we're going to come to lie down on the mat. So find your way onto your back, lying fully flat with your back. Feet are, or first of all, they're coming in towards the chest. Gently rocking the body side to side. And really massage your lower back here. Find movement that feels good. You can do some circles, or you can just sway left and right. Very, very good. And then soften the soles of your feet again to the earth. Rest your knees in towards one another. And then bring your left hand over onto your heart and your right palm onto your lower belly. Just once more with your eyes closed, connect to your breath and that sensation of earth underneath you. Sometimes we get a bit up into, or the energy moves up into our heads, our minds. So it's really important and good to reconnect to the body, that earth energy. Stay as long as you like. Maybe add on Shavasana, and whenever you're ready to move, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. From my heart to yours, Namaste.